Hello guys, in this video we are making banana lumpia. So we need the lumpia wrapper. I am using the apple banana, and I'm also gonna be putting some Haden mango and a little sprinkle of sugar because we don't want a lot of sugar anymore because our Haden mango here is so nice and sweet. Okay guys, let's go ahead and start wrapping our lumpia. We are putting our banana, mango, and some sprinkles, sugar. Then we wrap it up, roll it, and then we put some egg to seal it. And then let's go ahead and make another one. Banana, the mango, other sprinkle of sugar, roll it, fold it, wrap it up, put some egg in there. There you go, another one. Banana, the Haden mango. Let's put a little bit of sugar, roll it, fold it, and then wrap it all up. There you go, and some egg. And let's go and move on to the next step now. Okay guys, here's all the lumpia ready to be fried. Our pan is actually preheated. It's already put the vegetable oil in there, so we're gonna go ahead and start frying. Let's put the lumpia in. Actually the temperature of the oil is about 180 to 185 degree. Don't make it too higher than that, because if you make it higher, you can burn your wrapper right away and not being cooked the inside part of the lumpia. So it goes both ways with the banana or the vegetable lumpia. So there we go. We're gonna go ahead and put about 10 pieces in there, and we're gonna fry it until golden brown. Okay. So there we go. Let's just wait for this to be ready. There you go guys, here's our final product. Our banana lumpia is done. We're gonna pair it with vanilla ice cream. My son is gonna try it. If I say a thumbs up from him, that means he likes it. So let's wait and see if he's gonna give me a thumbs up. Do I see one? Oh yes, that's one. Second one. I think he's gonna give me, yeah, 3 times. So there you have it guys. This is perfect during summer. Pair it with vanilla ice cream. And yes, if you guys have Haden mango at home, mix it with your banana lumpia. It's a perfect match. It tastes really good together, and you don't even need that much sugar. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Don't mind me, I'm enjoying my banana lumpia. Aloha. Bye-bye. Salamat po. There you have it guys, your banana lumpia mixed with Haden mango, and it's perfect match with vanilla ice cream. Thank you for watching. Aloha.